Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. My name is Shelby, and this is my lifestyle slash beauty slash whatever I'm going to be putting on this channel, because I'm a newbie at this, and I hope you guys are enjoying my videos so far. Today I am going to be doing a hair tutorial for you guys. I know it doesn't look like I know how to do hair, but I know how to do my favorite loose wavy curly hair, and I know how to do that, and I know how to do like space buns and straighten my hair. I'm not big in the hair world, but I have decided that if I'm gonna spend time on my makeup, spend a little more extra time on the hair, and I'll feel a little bit better, because this mess I got going on right here ain't that cute. So this is what I start out with. I'm just gonna start from the very beginning on what I do with my hair. Usually it looks like this after my shower. I have it up in a big bun. I use scrunchies all the time. They're my best friends. Batiste dry shampoo is one of my favorites. It's an old one. I believe, let's see if it says the year it was made. This is such an old dry shampoo. Anyways, I don't know when it was made, but I have seen this pretty much my whole childhood, and it just came back in right now. So Batiste is going to be your type of dry shampoo that's very hefty. And on days like this, I think I'm like 2-3 days after washing my hair. So it's looking a little crazy, and how I go about making it look better is first I start off with my dry shampoo. Looking over here because I have a mirror and I'm gonna be doing my hair and talking to you guys. So if you see me look that way, I'm looking at a mirror. So first off with my Batiste dry shampoo, and if I look above, I'm looking in the little screen of my camera. So I just grab my sections of my hair, squirt a little bit, squirt a little bit, all throughout. And then I just massage it in, and then I'll take a brush to it. I know I need to go get my brush. I'll be right back. And I'm back. Okay, so wet brushes have been my favorite brushes for a long time now. You can find them at Target, at Marshall's even has them on sale there. They don't have the cutest of colors, but hey, like I think this one was Marshall's, and it's like a weird, I don't know, splatter paint on it. But it gets the job done, and wet brushes are really good for brushing your hair after the shower. So after I do my dry shampoo, I will, let's brush it out all the way through. Make sure the dry shampoo is throughout my roots, and I'll brush like this just to get the extra volume. My hair is like a thick consistency. I feel like I'm talking about makeup. It's a thick tie. I also have frizziness to it as well, but I've been trying to take care of my hair a little more than I usually do, so we're working on the frizz. Right now, this is how it looks with the dry shampoo in it, a little less greasy. The other products that I use is this wand. So I don't really know how to use the curling irons, the clamps, they always confuse me. I always got the fishtails. I got it for Christmas, I think like 2 years ago. And right now they have like the fancier button and stuff, so they upgraded. I have the little older one. It comes with a little glove, but I never wear it. I use a wand, and then a straightener, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do with the straightener later. So there's that. And if I wanna do a little more texture to my hair and make my hair a little more voluminous, I will use this texture spray, IGK Beach Club. And it's not focusing, but of course, like always, I'll put everything down below for you guys. So what I start off with, I have my claw clip, my wand, my straightener, brush, this sounds like a lot, brush, dry shampoo, and texture spray. I start off with the lower half of my hair, so split it. And I'm just gonna show a little bit of how I do everything, just so this isn't a really long video, because I think it usually takes me like 30 minutes to do my hair. So I do this, do it by sections, about this much hair through every section until I have the completed curly hair. And I found it easier to start from the back of the section instead of the front, because when you're starting from the front, it kind of gets lost in with your natural hair. So you want to start from the back, bring the sections in front, and I sometimes throughout my hair, I will switch directions of the curling. And what that means is, let me get a little closer. So I'm gonna curl this way, leave a little bit out. I always leave a little bit out because that's gonna give more of your looser curl instead of your very bouncy curl. Then it looks like that. Throw it in the back. I did that for the first curl. Now I'm gonna go over for the second curl. Giving different directions, you're gonna have a more textured look to your curls instead of them all going in one direction. I leave a little bit out, I let it curl a little bit and put it back. Okay, so I did the bottom half. Now I will go up, unclip my claw clip, and grab the second portion. I don't do anything like put them back in a ponytail or anything like that. I just put them in the back and bring my second half over and clip this up and look like a dodo. So then I will grab this section, split it down the middle, and do the same exact thing. So then I'm also grabbing from the back, like I said before, grab from the back. And this isn't bothering me with having the curls in the back. It may bother you, so you can always just put a pony in for the ones in the back, just a nice loose one so there's no creases. So then we'll do this section and then we'll go on to the next. I'm getting kind of tired of curling my hair. My back's hurting a little bit. So sitting on the floor, but I love sitting on the floor. So I'm just gonna do this funky little thing right here and clip that so they don't get mixed up in the back. Wow, that looks funky. Let's put it up here. Okay, so then I am going to do the last section and I'll let you guys know what I do with the straightener. Okay, so we are done with the curling portion of this video. I'm trying not to make it so long. I'm gonna edit down because you don't really need to watch me curling my hair the entire time. Just the gist of what I'm doing and leaving the ends out. My hair is trying to fit. Okay, there we go, it's fitting better. So now, I curled it all, didn't put any hairspray or anything like that. My hair type is more of, I don't know the right term, but I don't need to put hairspray in my hair for my curls to stay. I'll use this texturizing spray and I feel like that's kind of like a hairspray in a way, but I kind of like the curls when I curl it like this and I wait a couple more days, and that's usually when I like my curls the best. So I never put hairspray in it. But if you like your curls staying as is, then go ahead and spray on through. So this is the part where it looks a little cray right now. I will take my straightener. This is like an oxymoron. You just curled your hair, then you're gonna be going in and straightening it. So this is my technique. I know Khloe Kardashian's hairstylist does this. That's why she gets the perfect like straight ends, but she also has like thinner, shorter hair than me, so it doesn't look that great because her hair is amazing. So now I will literally go through and straighten the ends like so. Straighten my little face pieces out too. And I kind of curve them in because I want them to round out around my face. straighten, straighten, straighten. I'm loving the way it's looking already. I like it like that. So now you can see the straight side versus the curly side. So I like straightening the ends. This has been my favorite tip during my curling hair life. I find tips and tricks every time I'm doing my hair and seeing how I like it, because I haven't perfected my curl yet, but I'm pretty sure this is like how I'm gonna be doing it because I love this look. I also will go through and comb through the curls with my fingers just to give it more of a natural looking curl. So that's another little trick I do. I comb through my curls and I don't let them sit. Now I will go look at my curls, make sure I like them. Go in with texture spray. Texture spray, there's no right or wrong way to put these on. There is no right or wrong way to put texture spray in your hair. So this is literally all I do. And sometimes my hair is already a bit cray, so I don't use this, but today it's a little flat. So that is the end of my hair curling / straightening tutorial. I hope you guys liked it and found yourself wanting to go do your hair, because I know us girls lately have not been wanting to do our hair because we have these guys. They came into fashion and we're like, oh yeah, I'm gonna put my hair in a clip. I've been noticing I feel more confident with my hair down and done. So if I have my makeup done and I want to feel pretty, I'll go do my hair as well instead of putting it up in a clip. But if you guys like videos like this, like more of a how-to kind of deal and just me chit-chatting with you guys, let me know in the comments below, and like this video and subscribe to my channel so you never miss a video with me. Bye guys.